Hey guys, what's going on? I just noticed something on my third gen Ram 3500. This is a 2009 that could result in some significant electrical issues if not taken care of. So I'm just throwing out this quick video to show you the issue I just discovered, and hopefully it'll help you avoid some issues down the road. While working under the hood here, I noticed a bunch of plastic crumbs or debris sitting on the flat spot on top of the block. And it turns out that this wire loom, the bottom of it, probably a couple of feet worth, has completely disintegrated as a result of the heat, is my guess. And obviously, if this is not protected, that could result in some significant issues in the electrical system if these wires start melting. So I'm going to put some new wire loom on this, and I think I will probably wrap that with some heat wrap as well, just to avoid any issues in the future. Anyway, as I said, just throwing this out. Hopefully this may help you as well. And thanks for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to watch Oven's Garage. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.